Hi everybody, it's Mr. Lou. This is page 82. Solve. Draw bar models to help you. A middle school has 3,756 students. Okay, let's draw that out. Here's my bar model for my middle school. And I know that it has, I'm going to put an M for middle. And I know that it has 3,756. So let's put that right there. 3,756 students. Okay. That takes care of the first sentence. Next, it has 455 fewer students than an elementary school. Okay, so let's figure out my second bar model for my elementary school. Now, do I draw a bigger one or a small one? Let's figure that out. It says a middle school has 3,756 students. It has 455 fewer students than an elementary school. So that means my elementary school needs to be bigger. Okay. So here's my elementary school that has a bigger bar model. I'm going to put an E for elementary. And now I'm going to put my number 455. Well, 455 is not what my elementary school has. What 455 is, it's how much fewer the middle school has. So that fewer goes into that empty space right over here. Okay, so my 455 goes in that little empty space right over here. Okay, so then I want to know how much does an elementary school have? I'm going to put a question mark down here. Okay, so what I need to do, if I look at this bar model, well, I have these two parts. In order for me to get the entire elementary school, I need to put these two parts together to get the elementary school. So when I put something together, I am adding. So what I'm doing is 3,756 plus 455. Okay, so let's add that together. And I want to line it up vertically or up and down to help me out. 3,756 plus, so this one, 455. Alright, let's do this problem. 6 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Put the 1 down, carry the 1. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. Carry the 1. We'll group the 1. 7 plus 4 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus 1 more is 12. 2, we group that 1. And 3 plus 1 is 4. Alright, so I know my answer is 4,211. So let me get rid of my question mark, because now I know that my elementary school has 4,211 students. And again, I want to put that in my bar model to help me figure out my second question. Now it says, how many students do both schools have in all? So I want to figure out both schools in all. That means I'm combining my middle school and my elementary school. So when I combine my middle school and my elementary school, I am again adding. So my middle school from up here has 3,756. And I'm going to add, because I'm combining that, to my elementary school. So here's my elementary school, and that has 4,211. 4,211. So that is the problem that I want to do. And again, I'm going to line it up and down, or vertically, whatever you want to call it. 3,756 plus, 4,211. Okay, let's add that together. 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 1, well, it's 6. 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. And 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here we go. So I know my answer is 7,967 students. So let's put the word students right next to this. Okay, so how many students do both schools have in all? We know the answer over here. And again, what I like to do is I like to write that answer right in here again. 7,967. And that finishes up my bar model over here. Alright, and that's page 82.